Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
A reward voucher is a unique alphanumeric code that carries a visible monetary or percentage value and an expiration date. The platform shows the expiry as a calendar date and a countdown in days, so you know how long you have. Each voucher states which wallet it applies to: spot, futures, or margin, so you avoid applying a spot voucher to a futures product. Always read the voucher terms and conditions to confirm whether it credits your balance directly, pays trading fees, or gives a percentage discount. Start by opening your Binance app or web account and navigating to the Reward Center or Voucher Center where active vouchers are listed. Select the voucher you want, check the target wallet listed on the voucher, and press Redeem. You will be prompted to confirm the destination wallet and any usage conditions before the action completes. After confirmation, the voucher value is either credited to the selected wallet immediately or appears as a pending coupon until any qualifying conditions, such as minimum vouchers commonly serve three uses: paying trading fees, covering margin or futures interest, or depositing a fixed sum of USD or crypto directly into your wallet. The exact benefit is specified in the voucher text. Depending on platform rules, a voucher may be used partially against multiple transactions until its value is exhausted, with any remainder staying active until the expiry shown in days. Before you trade, verify restrictions such as applicable trading pairs, minimum trade amounts, whether conversion to fiat is permitted, and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.